Guys, this is Zafar for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. How are you all? What's going on? Thanks for tuning in. If you are a regular member of our Positive Academy community, then you might be knowing that the previous two videos I made was without mic, and this is I am using the mic. So let me know in the comments your experience. In this video, I'm going to talk about why you must spend or why you must be lonely. Lot of people think that being lonely is very much difficult or it is not good, but being lonely is the only good thing that can happen to you, because when you are lonely you are knowing thyself, you are knowing your strengths, you are knowing your weakness, you are monitoring yourself, you are becoming more mindful about you, you are monitoring what's going on in your mind, what are you thinking, where are you going, you are focusing on your goals. So spending time lonely is very much important nowadays. But most of the people just focus on social media. They always turn their social media on. They always scroll through Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp, just seeing other people's status. And just seeing them happy, they make themselves jealous, envy, anxiety, fear, sadness. All these emotions comes out. But this is not your natural state. Your natural state is of that of abundance, because universe itself is abundant and it is our birthright to live an abundant life. Then why you are just focusing on the scarcity mindset? But being lonely will help you to shift your mindset toward abundance, getting rid of each and everything. Get rid of all those people who no longer serve you. It might be your friend, family, any damn thing. The moment I started this YouTube channel, I got criticism, I got bullied, I got that you will not be able to make it, you cannot be a YouTuber. But still I continued this journey and I continue uploading the videos, and today I am having 250 videos uploaded on this YouTube channel. I am not saying that I am successful, but still I am trying my hobby, my passion, my motivation, what I need to do in my life. I don't worry what my other people think. I don't worry what my friends will think, my family will think, any damn person in my life will think, because it is my life and I have my rules and I will do what I am looking for. I am living my own life. Right? It is our birthright to be free. It is our birthright to live in abundance. It is our birthright to live a prosperous, healthy, happy, joyous life. And that's what I am doing each and every day. Each and every day when I wake up in the morning, I try to make something, to create something, to produce something, to be a producer. And I produce this, whether it is a form of a book, an interview, a YouTube video, any damn thing. But I do create something each and every day. I do create legacy, community, etc. And what helps me? The thing that is helping me is being lonely, because I analyze myself. I go into my mind. I see what are my feelings, emotions. How can I improve my concentration, my focus? Today, a lot of people are not focused on any certain thing. Why? Because there are a lot of distractions right now in this world. And to get rid of distractions, how you can get it? Just by being lonely, just by being in nature, just by communicating by yourself. What is going on in your inner side? Your outer reflection is the result of what going on in your inner side. If you are not feeling good, if you are feeling bad from inner side, your outer look also will not matter. But most of the people in this world just focus on outer look. They look only for branded things. They look for great face. They look for facial massage and etc. They always want to look like celebrity from outside. But they forget that the most important happiness, the most important contentment, and the most important thing in this world is inner peace, inner calm, inner mindfulness, inner analysis. And that you can get just by getting lonely. So being lonely is not a threat. Being lonely is not bad. But being lonely is good for you, for your soul, for your mind, for your body. Right? So if you are feeling someone who is lonely, none is appreciating you, nothing is supporting you, right? But still you can believe in yourself and focus on yourself, right? You can shift your focus from other people to that of yourself. The most important thing people do right now is what will other people think. Let go of society's expectation. It is your life, right? Think how you can use it, how you can make it fruitful. For example, I am wearing this kind of shirt, or this is my fashion. I am feeling good in this. I don't look for celebrity, what celebrity is wearing and what other stuff, what is fashion trends and all that. I don't care. I am content and happy in this wearing, in this my own body and my own soul, that is I am carrying. That is most important. That is what is crucial to you, and that must be the crucial thing to you also. If you want to live an abundant life, if you want to achieve your goals and dreams, right? Just seeing dreams will not help you, but chasing dreams each and every day will help you, right? Don't be a thinker. There are a lot of thinkers, but be a doer. The one who goes and does something, produce something, creating something amazing each and every day, making the life meaningful, giving meaning to your life. Just living other people's life won't make you happy. If you are not living, if you are not focusing on yourself, you are living the life to serve others. For others you are living your life. But what must be our motto? Our motto is to provide service, to provide value to other people, and for that value you are exchanging money, fame, glory, etc. These are all byproduct, but first you need to provide the value. You need to provide that content, right? So this is the important stuff. I hope this helps, right? If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for a regular dose of positivity. And the person who doesn't understand this simple basic thing, a fruitful thing, a meaningful thing, share this video to other people so that they can also come to know the importance of living lonely. Why being lonely is not a disturbance, is not a threat, is not a bad thing, but it is a good thing for yourself. Only if you understand this stuff. Lot of people just spend whole day doing nothing. They don't do anything whole day. They just spend time on social media, on seeking phone and exchanging photos and all those stuff. They are meaningless. They don't have any meaning. The most important thing is which I have told you, how to live meaningful, fulfillment and contentment life, right? So this was just a message from my end, right? So I hope this helps, and remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye, peace.